Right here's where mine is. It just charges right in there. Well, it's supposed to anyway. If you've got a Chrysler or Dodge or Jeep vehicle, you may have one of these flashlights somewhere in it. A lot of people don't even know they're there. So check in the back and see it fits like in a little cubby hole in the back, and it's rechargeable. But the problem is that eventually they stop holding a charge, and you know, when you go to turn them on, nothing happens. So they're not the best flashlight in the world. There's a lot better ones out there, but I hate to have something in my vehicles that just doesn't work. So I did a little research on this, and here's how to replace the battery and what kind of battery to use on one of these. Replacing these is about $40 or $50 from the dealership, but replacing the battery is about $10, maybe less depending on where you get it. One thing I found out, these little slots here, don't use a screwdriver. It'll just chew it up. The plastic is kind of soft. So I found that you just get a fingernail under there. You can usually pop it open. Just be a little gentle with it. There we go. So there's the inside of it. Okay. So there's the battery that came from the factory, and this is out of a 2012. And that might be the problem right there with this one. I don't know if you can see in the video here, but it's kind of swollen. It's not exactly flat. So I found out what battery you need, and I'm going to put a link to it in the description. It's this right here. Yep, this thing is definitely about ready to pop. So you just put it back in. And what do you know? And then you just pop it back together. It's that easy. And to be honest, it's pretty handy. Just pops it back together. And then put it back in your vehicle in the cubby that it went in so it can charge. And you're all set. And I'll recycle this or dispose of it the way it should be, but at least I know that if I need a flashlight in a bind, got one that works. I do a lot of stuff like this. If you like it, subscribe and share it out. Happy to help.